We looked at the contract manufacturing market. We've been a user ourselves. We've outsourced in the past, and we've not always had the best of experiences. So we looked at it from another angle. You know, most contract manufacturers have all similar machinery. The process is reasonably consistent. So we looked at what we could do differently. Now we've got our own franchises, over 150,000 lines that we can offer through our own franchised agreements. We could offer buffer stocks. You know, we'll work with the customer, look at their requirements, and if needs be, we can put either finished goods buffer stocks or component buffer stocks on the shelf for them for a period of 2 to 5 years. That allows us to actually fix the unit price for our customer, give them that certainty in both the supply and the consistency in the price as well. And you know, that is one differentiator that you will not find in the contract manufacturing industry at the moment.